Exercise 1.2. Find the LCM and SCF. Chapter number 1. Exercise 1.2. Okay. This is the most IMP equation. You just write down in your notebook. SCF of A comma B bracket close multiply LCM A comma B bracket close is equal to A multiply B. It means A and B. What is A and B? It means this is the number. Okay, A and B, it means like a SCF 2, 5. Understand? Here LCM A and B, it means any number you take 1, 2. So SCF of A comma B multiply LCM A comma B is equal to A multiply B. This is the equation. Same here, LCM multiply HCF is equal to product of the two number. Product of the two number, it means LCM multiply SCF. Product of the two number, it means LCM multiply SCF. Okay, see, first question here, 26 and 91. See, 26 and 91, this is the product of the number. Product of the number. Product of the two number. A comma B. See, this is your A. Okay, 91 is your B. So product of the two number A and B, you find out LCM and SCF. Okay, now how to find out? See, 3 factor 2. See, simple LCM method. First of all, you solve out the simple LCM method. 26 2s are 13, 13 1s are 13. Easy. Now 2. So this 13 I am writing here, 13th, then 13 ones are 13. Okay, so 26. See here, this 2 is not, this 13 is not important, so it's okay. Say only 26, there are the 2 factors, 2 and 13. So I am writing here 2 multiply 13. Look at 2 and 30, 2 and 13. Okay, got it? Now 19s are, 91s are, 91s are, it means 7, 13s are 91, 91, 7, 13s are, 31s are 30. So 7 and 13, I am writing here 7 and 13. So 91, 7 multiply 13. Got it? Now first question, they say that find the LCM. So I am writing here, then LCM is equal to, see LCM, how to write the LCM? All the numbers you write down one time. See 2, got it? Then 7, see 13 2 times. So do not write down 13 2 times, only one time. 13. Okay. 7 2s are 14 and 13. So 14 multiplied 13, 182. Understand? Then SCF. SCF. See, SCF is the very easy. See, who's the common number, same number? 13 and this 13. Both are the same number. So SCF is your 13. Understand? Now, I am writing here LCM. LCM A comma B. It means LCM A. It means 26 comma B. It means 91. And LCM 36 and 91 LCM. 36 and 91 LCM. What is the LCM? 36 and 91? 182. So I am writing here 182. Now SCF. A comma B. What is the A? 26. SCF 26. B 91. 26 and 91. Common SCF. Common SCF is your 13. So I am writing here 13. Understand? Now next example. Example number 2. Example number 2, it's very easy. 510 and 92. Okay. So see, sorry, here one step is remaining. A and B. A and B. See, LCM and SCF. The product of the two number A and B. So here 180 and 30. The product of the two number. I am writing here LCM multiply SCF. Product of the two number. See, product of the two number 182 and 30. 182 and 13. 182 and 13. You do the multiplication. 2366. This is your final answer. Okay. So here see, product of the two number 2366. Got it? LCM 182. This is your LCM. I am here below. I am writing here 182. Multiply SCF 13. Understand? Product 2366. Got it? Easy. Now example number 2. Example number 2 say that 510 and 92. First again equation LCM multiply SCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Product of the two number. Okay. Product of the two number. This is the most IMP equation. So 510 and 92. First of all, I draw one line. 510. Here 92. Got it? Here rough work. See 510. So box 2 divided by 510, you get answer 255. Okay. See last digit 5, it means you divided by 3 or 5. So I am taking here 3. 3 divided by 2, 55. So I am writing here 85. Again last digit number 5. So 75 is 85. Got it? So 510 is equal to 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 17th. Okay. Then here 92. 2 divided by 92, 46. Okay. Now 2 divided by 46, you get answer 23. So here same way 92. 2 multiply 23. Okay. Now LCM and SCF. I am writing here LCM. Okay. LCM A 510 comma B 92. LCM. See all the number I am writing here. LCM. See, first I am writing here 2. Okay. Then see 2 here, 2 here. So I am writing here this 2. Okay. Understand? Here 2. So 2 again 2. Then 3. Then 5. Then 17. All the numbers you write down 23. Got it? Okay. Now I am writing here 2 how many times? 2 times, so 2 square. 3 multiply 5 multiply 17 multiply 23. So you get answer 23,460. Got it? Okay. See. Look at here. 2, 2, see. Here 2 multiply 2, 2 multiply 23. Here 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. All the numbers you write down one time. See. But here 2, look at here. Here 2 3 times. But you write down pair. See, look at here. Here do not get mistake here. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Here 3 times 2. But here I am writing here pair. 2 square. Okay. So these 2 and these 2 I am writing here. Okay. So I want here pair. Okay. Then 23, 23. Then 3, 3, 5, 5, 17. And all the multiplication you get answer 23,416. Okay. Now SCF. SCF is very easy. 510, 92. Common and same number. See, it's very easy. 2 and these 2. So I am writing here 2. Easy. This is your SCF. Okay. Now product. See, product. LCM and SCF the product. I am writing here equation. LCM multiply SCF is equal to product of the two number. See, product of the two LCM. What is LCM? 23,460. So I am writing here 23,460. SCF. SCF is your 2. Okay, so you get answer 46,920. This is your final answer. This is your product. Say LCM and SCF. The product is your 46,920. LCM 23,460. SCF is your 2. Okay. Specially, you understand this 2 multiply 2 and 2. See how many 2's? 3 pair. 3 times this 2. Okay. But I am writing here pair. This pair I am writing here. Look at. In this 2 I am do not write here. Okay. Now third one. Same method. 3, 3, 6 and 54. Okay. Same method. LCM, so SCF and LCM and product find out. Okay, this is your homework.